go down transfer question. So first we have to make the locations. Already there will be a main go down or primary location, anything. So what we have to do, we have to go on alter, then we will go on location or go down, anything which is given here. Location is given, so we will go on location. After going on location, we will click on main location, and from here we will edit it. Here main location will be already written, and we will also write in Indore. We will also write Indore, and we will do Control plus I, and from down arrow we will come down, and we will click enter on go down address, and then we will enter the address Indore, and then we will press Control A, and afterwards for creating branch go down Raipur, we will click on create, and then we will create branch go down Raipur, and we will also click Control plus I more detail, and then we will add the address Raipur. Then we have to create a stock item. Then we have to create a stock item, and we have to create units. So we have to create first unit. Always we will try to create unit first. Then we have created the units. NOS means numbers. Then we have created a stock item, and under all the stock item we have put the units as NOS means numbers. Then we have created the parties. Here in parties daters is given, so we have created the parties Ledger, Raipur IT World, and Chhattisgarh Computers. And then transactions are given, purchase transaction. So from purchase transaction we can see that there are 2% global suppliers and digital zone. So these two will be the creditors. So we have also made those 2% accounts under the head creditors. Then we have done the entries from K, that is day book. We can see the entries. Alt F2, then space enter. First purchase entry, second purchase entry. Now we have to do the inter go down transfer. So for doing inter go down transfer, we will click on V voucher, then we will click on F10, then we will click on stock general. After that we will click on Control H, then we will select third one, use inter location transfer. Then here destination location means where we have to send the goods. So from main go down we have to send the goods to branch go down. So we will click on space, we will search branch go down Raipur, we have click enter. Now what items we have to transfer, we will select all those items, then we will select keyboard, and from which go down we are transferring from main go down. So here where we have to send, here from where it is going, quantity we put, rate will be automatically come. Same likewise we will also use mouse, same thing. From where we are sending, from main location Indore we are sending how many, 10. Mouse, same thing. We have done. Now we will click Control A. Likewise we will do also for these two. We have also done the fourth entry of 15th July, this one. After doing the one inter go down transfer, then again we have to do another inter go down transfer. Then also we have to again press Control H, and then also we have to select use inter go down, that something inter transfer or something like that. Fifth entry we have also done. Now in sixth entry we are selling the goods from our branch godown. So in location we have to select a branch godown Raipur. Here we have not created the sales account, so we will create sales account. We have done the sixth entry. Then we have done all the sales entry, we have done all the inter godown transfer, we have done all the sales entry, we have done all the receipt entry. Now what is student task? Create two godown main and branch. We have made that, record all the purchase, we have recorded that. Pass stock general entry, inter godown transfer, we have done that. Record all sales from branch godown, we have also done that. Now what is asked? Godown summary, main versus branch, stock summary, and ledger of Raipur IT World. So first let's see all the easy things. First we will go on stock summary. We are seeing stock summary. From stock summary, what always we have to do. We have gone in stock summary. We will click on F12. We will do 3 years, opening yes, inward yes, outward yes. Yes. Oh no. Yes. After that control A, then it is the go down, it's the stock summary. Now let's select the date 1/4 to 31/3. Now this is the stock summary. Now we have to see the ledger of Raipur IT World. A particular person is asked, so therefore display more reports. Then let's go on accounts book, ledger, ledger of Raipur, RAI, Raipur IT World. So it is the ledger of Raipur IT World. So closing balance nil, no balance means you can also see this, like first we have sold 5750, then we have got the receipt in form of cash 5750, so nil balance. If debit balance means it is our asset, if credit balance means it is our liability. This is very basic thing. Now what we have to see, we have to see the go down summary. Go down summary, group summary. Let's first try to do Control G or Alt G. GOD, go down summary. It's easy. We can see from here, also from here. From Alt G or Control G, we can see the go down summary. PDF 3 question, enter godown transfer.